Hey everyone, and welcome. So, you're an AI pro, and you're looking to really level up your career. Well, there's one certification that truly stands out, the Google Cloud Professional Machine Learning Engineer. But let's be real, passing it is tough. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on a seriously powerful shortcut to help you prep, practice, and pass on your very first try. Let's dive in. So, I gotta ask, are you ready? If you're even thinking about this exam, you know it's a huge deal. This isn't just some piece of paper to hang on the wall. It's solid proof of elite-level skills. It's the moment your cloud career can seriously take off. And yeah, it's a real investment. We're talking $200 just to sit for the exam. With that kind of money and time on the line, you absolutely want to be sure you're going to pass the first time. No question.
And let's be clear about what this role is. It's so much more than just tinkering with models. A certified pro productionizes AI. That means they build, they evaluate, and they optimize entire systems on Google Cloud, often dealing with massive data sets and even generative AI. It's a senior-level role, and you better believe the exam is designed to match that.
Okay, so let's get into it. Section 1, the Google Cloud ML Challenge. See, this exam doesn't just test what you know from a textbook. It tests what you can actually do in complex, messy, real-world situations. I mean, if you look at the official exam guide, it lays it all out. You're expected to architect low-code solutions, scale up simple prototypes into full production models, and automate entire MLOps pipelines. This isn't just theory, folks. It's the complete, hands-on skill set of a top-tier engineer.
All right, Section 2, your Smart Study Shortcut. So, with a challenge this big, how do you even prepare without getting totally overwhelmed? Well, the answer isn't about studying harder, it's about finding a smart shortcut.
We've all heard this a million times, right? But for a high-stakes exam like this one, it is everything. Honestly, the fastest way to fail is to waste weeks studying the wrong stuff. You have to study smart.
So here's the bottom line. Success doesn't come from brute force, grinding away 12 hours a day. It comes from having a really focused preparation strategy, and more importantly, the right tool to make it happen. And that brings us to the tool we're digging into today. It's this practice exam ebook from the Cloud Certification Store, and I'm telling you, it is a total game changer. For less than $10, you get over 300 practice questions designed to feel exactly like the real exam. It's your secret weapon.
Okay. Section 3. Think like an ML pro. Now, here's what makes a tool like this so powerful. It's not just about memorizing a bunch of answers. It's about learning to think like a professional ML engineer, to really get the logic behind why one choice is right and, just as importantly, why the others are wrong.
To really see what I mean, let's just walk through an actual question from the ebook. This is where you see how it all clicks into place.
Okay, here's a classic scenario right out of the ebook. Your scikit-learn training job on Vertex AI is just crawling. It's too slow. What is the best first step you should take to speed it up? This is exactly the kind of practical on-the-job problem you're going to face on the exam.
And this right here is where you see the value. The correct first step is to use Vertex AI's optimized CPUs. Now, the ebook explains why. Vertex AI has special libraries that speed up scikit-learn with almost no code changes. It's the easiest, fastest fix. It also breaks down why the other options, the tempting ones, like migrating to TensorFlow or throwing a GPU at it, are actually a much heavier lift and aren't even guaranteed to help with this specific library. See? This is how you learn to think like a pro.
All right, Section 4. Find and fix your gaps. Thinking like a pro is half the battle for sure. The other half? It's finding and fixing your own knowledge gaps. You have to spot your weaknesses before the exam does it for you.
And this ebook has a really slick tool for exactly that, an exam readiness scorecard. It's simple. You just rate your own confidence level across every single exam topic, from MLOps all the way to data prep. It's a super powerful way to get real with yourself about where you need to focus your time.
And to guide your final review, there's also a checklist. It forces you to answer simple yes or no questions to critical skills, like, can you evaluate models using precision and recall? Yes or no? Do you truly understand CI/CD for machine learning? It gives you a clear, structured path to make sure you are 100% ready.
Okay, so once you've learned the right thought process and you've patched up all your knowledge gaps, there's really only one thing left to do. Walk into that exam feeling totally and completely certification ready.
And this might be the most compelling number I've seen. Over 90%. Now, what do you think that refers to?
This is based on direct feedback from people who used the ebook and then went and took the test. They're reporting that over 90% of the questions on their actual exam were the same ones in this practice guide. That is an insane level of alignment.
So the path to success becomes really simple. Step 1, practice with questions that are nearly identical to the real exam. Step 2, use those detailed explanations to find and fix your weak spots. And Step 3, walk in, pass that exam, and get ready to absolutely skyrocket your career.
So if you're ready to get certified faster and smarter, you can find this ebook and a bunch of other resources at cloudcertificationstore.com. It's a tiny investment with a massive potential payoff for your career.
The path to becoming a certified Google Cloud machine learning engineer is laid out right here. Your cloud future is literally one click away. So, are you ready to launch it?